Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the life and legacy of Catheriene, Princess of Wales. Born Catherine Elizabeth Middleton, from her early days as a young girl to her current role as the Princess of Wales, Catheriene's life has been a testament to her grace, compassion and dedication to her family and country. In this video, we will take a closer look at Catheriene's early life and her rise to the royalty, her iconic fashion movements and style inspiration, her philanthropic work and charitable efforts, her life as a mother and a wife, her impact on the royal family and the world. Get ready for a journey filled with inspiration, fashion and a glimpse into the life of one of the most beloved women in the world. Catheriene's fashion sense is renowned for its elegance and sophistication. She has one iconic design by Alexander M. Queen, Jenny Peckham, and Catherine Walker. Her style is a perfect blend of classic and modern, making her a timeless icon in the fashion world. Some of her most iconic outfits include her wedding dresses, her iconic red carpet looks. Catherine's philanthropic work includes supporting children, hospitals, mental health organizations, and women's empowerment. She is 12th wife to Prince William and mother of Prince George, Princess Catheriene, and Prince Louis. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Catheriene Princess of Wales moment with us. Get ready for more inspiration, fashion and grace. Thanks for watching. Catheriene's impact on the royal family and the world will never be forgotten. Her legacy will continue to inspire and influence fashion and kindness for generations to come. Catherine's dedication to her family and her current country is a true testament to her strength and character. We are forever grateful for the impact Catherine, Princess of Wales, has had on our lives and the world. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Catherine, Princess of Wales moments with us. Get ready for more inspiration, fashion and grace. Thanks again for watching and we will see you in the next videos. Catherine, Princess of Wales is a true icon of style, grace and kindness. Her life and legacy will always be an inspiration to us all. We hope you enjoyed this video tribute to Catherine, Princess of Wales. Please share your thoughts and memories with us. Catherine, Princess of Wales will always be remembered as a true member of the royal family and a beloved figure around the world. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content.